efforts to get a judge to order Apple to unlock that encrypted phone in a terrorism investigation has been in the news a lot lately, but there's also a huge email privacy loophole affecting most of us that some in Congress are hoping to close this year. And the Now KC's Tara Hall is live in the newsroom with why a lot of people, Tara, may not know anything about this.
Yeah, Justin, myself included. Right now, police can actually look at any email that's more than 6 months old and never tell you about it. Some states like Missouri, though, have already acted to close the loophole, but Kansas has not.
You've got mail.
Email and cell phones might not look like this anymore, but the law that protects them is 30 years old. The Electronic Communications Privacy Act requires a judge's permission for authorities to look at emails, photos, or documents you have stored online if they're less than 6 months old. But in most cases, police can look at older emails without your knowledge.
Because it's digital information and it's on a server, the government treats it with less protection.
Kansas Congressman Kevin Yoder's bill would require a warrant to look at any email, no matter how old it is. 5 states, including Missouri, already require that in most cases. Kansas and 8 considering it. Police prefer one federal law.
Let's have a uniformity of practice. At least give us some rumble strips within which we can operate.
Large companies like Google, Microsoft, and Yahoo typically require a warrant to protect your personal information.
We need to start there, but I think we need to go beyond that again to provide additional protections for email users and consumers.
Now, privacy experts are worried the federal bill does not give enough protection. They say courts have said that when warrants are issued, the email account holder doesn't have to be notified. That's something Congressman Yoder has a problem with. Take a listen.
I understand why an investigator at in law enforcement or in in the IRS would like to have the ability to be able to read everyone's emails to find out who's doing right and who's doing wrong. But in this country, we have a constitution that protects those Americans from unreasonable searches and seizures.
Privacy experts suggest checking with the company that holds your email to see what their rules are. Now, we'll continue to track this bill's progress and bring you updates as they happen. For now, I'm Tara Hall in the newsroom. Back to you guys in the studio.
All right. Thank you, Tara. Well, the number of